Well, hello friends and followers. So, still working on this RS232 board for this Paragon 1. This board was an option for the Paragon 1 and would allow you to do commands from your IBM PC. And I think this was targeted at the first IBM PC that used BASIC, and the program is written in BASIC and is included in the instruction book for this board. So my intent is to write a program in Python to control this transceiver using RS232. I couldn't get any responses out of this board. I was getting correct RS232 into the board from this UART here that is an FDTI, I think, by a guy called the Something 49ers in Campbell, California, who sells these. Getting stuff from my Apple iMac. So anyway, this board seems to be a bit rare. And so what I did was I took out the conversion chip, which is this MaxR. This Maximum has a charge pump in it. And I think the CPE means charge pump, coming to think of it, which is interesting. Hopefully I bought the right one to replace it. And I decided to put a socket in here just because you never know. So I did need a 16-pin socket. I only had 14-pin sockets on hand. So I did put in a 14-pin socket, and I simply hacked off one of the pins on this other 14-pin socket, thereby ruining it. But I didn't want to pay 15 or 20 bucks for more 16-pin sockets from eBay sellers who rip you off. So that little socket there will have to suffice, and this does not have a connection here for any pin whatsoever, so I can ignore that one. So that's about it. You can see that either Ten Tec or somebody made a bunch of modifications to this board. This chip is coming in from California to Nevada, so I'm hoping this chip comes soon. And I can just plug in the new chip and this board will function. Then I can write the Python program. I can't do much with the Python program right now until I know how to run this board. So I thought about trying to write some of it, but it's best to get this thing working slowly and doing small steps. So I hope when this chip comes in, I can just insert it and be good to go. I don't know if this chip is working. This will interface directly to the bus of the computer. This must be a UART of some sort. Yeah, I'm sure it's a UART actually. So that's a UART chip with a crystal. I guess I could check the crystal and see if it's running. I don't even know the frequency of it. Actually, I could test it. I could put a clip lead on from my little receiver here. Yeah, so I could use this RTLSDR and clip lead an antenna on to that crystal, and then look for a spike in RF energy somewhere in the HF band, and that would be this crystal running. That is how to test that crystal for activity. That wouldn't be hard to do, actually. That's pretty tempting, actually, to try that. So that could be done pretty easily, actually. I would need to bring up cubic SDR. I would first need to plug in this receiver, and I'll do that in a different video maybe. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day.